that?
What do you have here?
Are you standing up? Wowee!
Your feet are touching the ground.
You've got Winnie the Pooh. Oh, wow.
Bit shocked.
She's been in one a couple of times at Jadey's.
Oh, put it.
Wowee! She went backwards before. Wow! Wowee! Wowee! This is fun!
Do you have a license to drive one of those, Amber?
Wow! Can you do that? Oh, I think this is going to go out the window. She hasn't stimulated too much at bedtime. Well, it's not bedtime yet, but you know. Wowee! This is cool! So thank you, Grandma. Her feet. Got feet in. She's moving backwards.
Beep, beep, beep,
Beep, beep. Reversing. Is that Winnie the Pooh? I think she likes it.
No, I think she likes it.
A lot. Oh! What's this? Wow! Clever girl. Concentrate. Amber!
Love letters to you as he was sending apparently to Rachel, because doesn't that say if he's capable of deceiving you two, he's capable of deceiving her as well?
Amber Bolton!
So you didn't say that?
Those little legs.
But I thought you didn't care for her. So why did you send her a love letter? Why did you send her a letter?
It's a tasty mouse, isn't it? Yes. Got a new chair, isn't it cool?